This facility produces M&Ms at one of the largest scales in the United States. Production begins as materials for M&Ms arrive at the factory loading docks. Every shipment is inspected before entering the M&Ms production facility. Only approved materials move forward into M&Ms controlled production areas.
Once inside, M&Ms production follows strict hygiene controls.
Strict hygiene controls protect every stage of M&Ms production. All equipment is cleaned before touching M&Ms ingredients.
Cleanliness is verified before M&Ms production begins.
Precise measurements ensure consistent M&Ms chocolate quality.
Materials move securely to the next M&Ms production phase.
Temperature control is essential for stable M&Ms production.
The line is prepared for continuous M&Ms production.
Machines are started carefully for precise M&Ms processing. This is where M&Ms chocolate centers begin to take shape. Consistency checks maintain uniform M&Ms quality. M&Ms and centers advance to the shell coating process. Waste from preparation areas is handled responsibly.
Final checks complete before scaling M&Ms output.
Production now runs continuously for M&Ms. The M&Ms enter the heart of the manufacturing process. Refining creates the smooth texture inside every M&Ms. Tempering gives M&Ms their firm chocolate structure.
Exact portions ensure uniform M&Ms size.
Cooling locks the shape of M&M centers. Only perfectly shaped M&M centers move forward. Material outside standards is safely reprocessed. Approved centers wait briefly before shell coating. Shell formation begins inside rotating drums. Thin sugar layers build the M&M's shell. Drying ensures strong M&M's shells. Shell thickness is built layer by layer. Shell strength is verified continuously.
Color is prepared under strict control.
Signature M&M's colors are added here. Colors are set to remain vibrant.
Polishing creates the familiar M&M's shine.
Only flawless shells continue forward. Each piece is aligned for marking.
The iconic mark is added in milliseconds.
M&Ms advance to final quality control. Packaging machines are calibrated to protect each M&M's shell. Every package is weighed to ensure consistent portion size.
Heat sealing locks in freshness and prevents contamination.
The rotating tumblers coat each M&M with syrup, building up vibrant candy shells layer by layer. Workers manually inspect M&Ms to ensure uniform shells and consistent color quality.
Each M&M receives its iconic M logo through automated precision printing.
After coating, M&Ms pass through a gentle drying tunnel to solidify their candy shells. Cooled M&Ms achieve the perfect hardness for handling and packaging.
Each M&M is weighed to ensure consistent size and quality before packaging.
Advanced X-ray inspection ensures the internal integrity of each M&M.
Cameras inspect M&Ms to guarantee uniform, vibrant color for every piece. Conveyors guide M&Ms efficiently toward automated packaging machines. Automated machines fill M&M bags accurately, maintaining weight consistency.
Clippings. Each M&M bag is heat sealed to preserve freshness and prevent contamination.
Production codes are printed on each M&M bag for traceability and quality assurance.
Sealed M&M bags are carefully stacked into cartons for shipping and storage.
Cartons are stacked onto pallets in preparation for warehouse storage and distribution.
Pallets of M&Ms are transported to storage racks, ready for distribution. Final inspection ensures all M&M pallets are accurately logged for storage and shipping. Warehouse shelves are organized for efficient storage of M&M pallets before distribution. Workers confirm inventory data to maintain accurate records of M&M stock. M&M pallets are loaded into trucks for distribution across the country. Before loading, workers scan pallets to ensure accurate shipment of M&Ms.
Each pallet is carefully aligned in the truck to prevent damage during transport.
Straps secure pallets of M&Ms, ensuring safe delivery across distribution routes. Once loaded, trucks are ready to transport M&Ms to retailers nationwide. Loaded with M&Ms, trucks depart to deliver fresh candy to stores across the country. The warehouse stores M&Ms securely until distribution to retail locations.
Digital inventory systems track every pallet of M&Ms for efficient logistics management.
Automated forklifts retrieve pallets of M&Ms for shipment with precision and safety.
Workers secure pallets with straps to prevent movement during transit of M&Ms.
Loaded M&Ms begin their journey to stores and distribution centers. From raw ingredients to shipment, the factory operates efficiently to produce M&Ms. M&Ms leave the factory, ready to reach stores across the country. From production to distribution, every M&M is carefully managed for quality. From factory to store shelves, M&Ms reach candy lovers across the nation.